Hey everyone, Hasho from hashtag and welcome back to my new video. Xiaomi on Weibo shared the official render of the Mi 10, which will have curved display with a razor thin bezel at the top. At the back of the phone we'll find a total of 4 camera sensors along with a LED flash. Hashtag tips in Weibo shared another render regarding Mi 10 5G, seemingly confirms the presence of 108 MP main camera with 8K video recording, 150x zoom and the balanced stereo speakers. An earlier report suggested that the Mi 10 series comes with the latest Wi-Fi 6 standard in the 5G era. Its speed has been doubled and it optimizes the performance experience of a large number of devices at the same time. The phone confirmed to add 66-watt fast charging support. This was confirmed in a new MIUI 11 code. Also, it includes a 5250 mAh battery capacity. Moreover, it will come with a quad rear camera setup with 108 MP primary sensor, a 12 megapixel wide angle, a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and a macro HOT sensor for a better portrait. Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro and the Mi 10 comes with a powerful Snapdragon 865 with a 5G support, which will be paired with a Adreno 650 GPU. The phone will have a 16 GB and LPDDR5 RAM, also became the fastest smartphone with 60 GB RAM option. The smartphone comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a dual punch hole camera sitting at the top right side, much like the Redmi K30 smartphone that launched in December 2019. That's all for today guys, so let me know your thoughts about the Xiaomi Mi 10 in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Xiaomi device, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thank you for watching it. I'm Hashtag from hashtag.